Welcome to our guide on crafting an impactful acting CV. Whether you're an aspiring performer or a seasoned actor, a well-structured CV is essential to showcase your talents and catch the eye of casting directors. An effective acting CV should include personal details, a compelling personal profile, and a detailed work history. Highlight your education and skills to give casting directors a comprehensive view of your capabilities. Your personal profile is your chance to shine. It should reflect your passion for the arts and your unique skills. Blend soft skills with specific experiences to create a captivating introduction. Soft skills like creativity, teamwork, and adaptability are crucial for actors. Hard skills such as voice control and script analysis are equally important. Highlight these skills to demonstrate your versatility and readiness for diverse roles. In the work experience section, showcase your industry knowledge and ability to handle various tasks. Highlight achievements and responsibilities from previous roles, internships, or volunteering to demonstrate your capabilities. Education plays a significant role in an acting career. Include details of your formal training, workshops, and any relevant courses. This section can enhance your CV by showcasing your dedication to honing your craft. Additional sections like volunteer work, hobbies, and interests can add depth to your CV. They provide a well-rounded view of your skills and personality, making you more appealing to casting directors. For those with limited experience, focus on transferable skills and relevant coursework. Highlight any related fields like public speaking or performance-based roles to demonstrate your potential in acting. A strategic approach to writing your CV ensures you highlight your best potential. Use a modern and professional design to make your CV concise and well-structured, focusing on essential details. Our CV Builder offers a range of templates to suit your style, from creative to professional designs. These templates help you present your skills and experience in a clear and engaging way, making your CV stand out. Regularly updating your CV with new experiences and achievements keeps it relevant. Collaborate with your agent for guidance, but take ownership of maintaining an accurate and impressive CV. Thank you for joining us in exploring how to create a standout acting CV. With these tips, you're well on your way to impressing casting directors and landing your dream roles. Best of luck in your acting career.